whatever, but it's 9:28 and I'm gonna be back home at a decent time, thinking about which Target location I'm gonna go to, and I'm just really trying to be in and out, stopping at Starbucks because that's always important to do on a Saturday. And I gotta determine if I'm gonna wash my hair tonight for my hair appointment in the morning, or should I just wash it in the morning so it's not that dry when she blow dries it. And then that means I have to get up super early. So decision. So yeah, get into this. We're about to go ahead and start filming us cooking. All right, so we have our eggs, and we're gonna use our chicken sausage. I have the patties, but I only have 2 of these left in the links. I was like, let me just eat those before we open up the breakfast patty links. Then we have the cinnamon rolls. I'm only gonna make 2 of these because I'm not gonna let Chucky, aka my 3-year-old, eat a cinnamon roll for breakfast. Negative. So he's gonna get one of these little Mickey little waffles or whatever. He'll be really happy with that. And I'm gonna probably give him sausage. Yeah. So it's gonna be really quick. Nothing too fancy. And as you can see right here, I've already started to preheat my oven for 350 degrees. The directions definitely say to, I don't know if you all can see it, but to preheat oven for 350 degrees for 4 to 5 minutes until warm. So I'm going to do that. I don't really like using the microwave. So this is pretty good. Just 4 little cinnamon rolls that were in the freezer. So it's not going to take that long. I'm also going to put the chicken sausages in the air fryer. And of course the waffles in the stove, and scrambling my eggs, no cheese. All right, be right back. All right, so I'm going to spray my air fryer with some vegetable oil. Just going to put the chicken sausages in there. And I'm also going to add in some seasoned blend, which is the onion, celery, red pepper, green peppers, and parsley flakes. Just for like little added flavor. I'm an onion bell pepper person. Turn on this air fryer. It's not even gonna take that long. This is real simple, y'all. Like, that's why I love these air fryers. Like, this was the best creation ever. So it is preheating, but it do begin some cooking done. So I do kind of start a little early. Yeah. So then I'm gonna go ahead and start to come over here and start putting my cinnamon rolls on the. All right. So I am going to put some foil down on the pan. I just don't like when it just be extra sticky. Yes, I have 2 broken nails. They gotta come on. Yeah, I like for it easy clean. This is for easy cleaning. I'm still gonna spray it with some vegetable oil. I'm extra. I know it's not gonna stick, but I just like the extra buttery flavor. And I'm just gonna get 2 cinnamon rolls. And I'm going to put them on the pan. Yes, I have on gloves. This is my cooking, but I don't be wanting to touch it. Y'all, whatever y'all do, get y'all some gloves. I have like these little gloves, and I also have like black ones as well. These are just like easier to take off. I'm not going to put these on because they're only going to take 4 to 5 minutes. And of course, we know that the waffles aren't going to take that long. It's really just, or the eggs. So really, once the chicken sausages are done, I'm going to pop these in the oven, start making the eggs, and turn on the waffle. So it's going to be real simple. Quick breakfast. Sometimes you can make your kids a really quick breakfast. I would have made some grits, but I'm just like, nah. I like when my husband make his grits, so we're gonna leave that alone right now. All right, y'all. So I'm just gonna crack 2 eggs because it's just gonna be me and Aubrey eating eggs and stuff. So then I got my pepper. Just gonna put a little bit black pepper in here. And then comes that salt. Salt is dangerous. Let's see. So what I always do is I pour a little bit in my palm of my hand. And I just sprinkle just a little bit on here. And that's it. I dumped the rest of it in the sink. What is with it with his with y'all seasoning y'all eggs like chicken? I be seeing people put garlic powder, seasoning, salt, pepper, chicken seasoning. I'm like, if you cook your eggs like you making chicken, you season your eggs like you season chicken, don't give me those eggs. I don't want no eggs that season like chicken. Just need a little salt and pepper, cheese or whatever. I'm not even doing cheese. Or maybe I will. I might do some cheese, put a little cheese on up in a little pan. I might do a little cheese or whatever. But yeah, I don't eat no eggs that's seasoned like chicken. So let me just do a little scramble up real quick. I'm going ahead and put my little pan up. And while I was putting up some dishes. My sausages are looking good. They're not quite done yet, but they smell really, really good. It's no longer preheating right now, so yeah, I'll be back to check on that in a minute. All right, so we got 13 minutes on the timer. Let's see how these chicken sausages are doing. Okay, we're getting some color here. These are chicken sausages, but I still like a little bit more color on mine. And yeah, so we're just gonna let this cook just a little bit more. Yeah, we'll be right back. See how they looking when we check on them again. Okay, so this is just the color that I need. Oh, hot and sizzling. Turn this off. And I'm gonna clean this air. Time to go ahead and get these cinnamon rolls in here. What time is it? It's 9:54. So it's 4 minutes. So we'll see. I'm gonna watch it carefully. Oh, you can't see. I don't have the light on. Okay. Now it's time to make these eggs. So I did decide to put some cheese in the eggs. I'm just gonna let this butter. The pan is heating up. My cinnamon rolls are in. I'm gonna have to turn on this waffle on this toaster real quick for Ashton. And like my cinnamon roll shouldn't take no more than 4 minutes, 4 to 5 minutes. Go ahead and pour my eggs in. And then I have some shredded cheese I'm going to put in there. I kind of wonder if I should have just did one more egg. I didn't want too many eggs. I don't need that much cheese. Ain't that much eggs. Ain't that much cheese needed. And it is on like a medium heat too, so. Don't dry your eggs out. Please don't dry eggs. I know some people do like theirs a little bit more cooked, but like, we ain't about to eat this right now since they're gonna be cooking because of the heat. And remember, it is cheese in these eggs. I'm gonna put this over here in the warming station. Check on my cinnamon rolls. I got 2 more minutes on those. Go ahead and slice these sausages up. Too hot. Because I like to see if Ashton will eat. He eats them sometimes. So I'm going to try to give him one. Give him like a little small little piece. And see if he'll eat it. Maybe he'll think it's chicken. It's chicken sausage, but I'm definitely gonna tell him it's chicken. And you see his little cute little waffle. It's all bent up a little bit, but it's a Mickey Mouse waffle. Put him on just a little bit of syrup. Let me get the syrup out. And I know he's not gonna fool with any eggs, so I'm not gonna worry about that. Just put a little bit. Like, we got this sugar-free syrup. Like, Ashley accidentally put this in the buggy one time, and we bought it, and I'm just like, I'm not about to take this back to the store. So we're gonna deal with this sugar-free syrup. I'm not buying any more until it's gone. So this is Ashley's. You see why I put that butter at the bottom of that pan? Y'all see it sizzling? My cinnamon rolls almost done, and they smell good. Okay, so put that butter at the bottom of your pan, y'all. Even if you got some oil on it, I'm telling you, you need that butter flavor. Is what you need. Time to make me an Aubrey plate. Okay, I'm gonna get this cinnamon roll. Okay, and I can't pick it up, so you just use a knife. Bam, bam. Put this back on the stove. It's kind of hot. Go ahead and do the eggs. I hate when that little film part be on the eggs. Go ahead and run this under some water while we're eating. Okay, so this is just me and Aubrey's plate. We got the cinnamon rolls, some scrambled eggs, and some chicken sausages. And I am about to get some ice. All right, so I got my ice. And I'm pairing it with some Milo sweet tea. Good old Southern way. The breakfast, yeah, I like my sweet tea. Aubrey's probably gonna drink juice, and if you know Sun, he's gonna get his little 2% milk. And I'm about to call these kids now. Aubrey, Ashton, time to eat. I know they heard me, y'all. If I was calling about something else, but like, I didn't hear you. All right, y'all, so in a minute, y'all gonna catch us at Target. Then we're gonna eat breakfast, get dressed, and we're gonna head to Target. All right, y'all.